Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make in an easy way and vector format smoke in Illustrator. So let's start off by making our background with our rectangular Marquee tool, or actually what's this called? Rectangle tool. I'm gonna make it black. And I'm going to press Command 2 to lock it in place. This way I can't move it around and it's not going to bother me as much. Next, grab your line segment tool. We're going to switch to stroke and we're going to make that white. Next, we're going to make a straight white line. We're going to go with 0.25 points, which is really thin. We're going to go to Object, Transform, Move. Now you can also press this combination of keys to get that. Anyways, we're going to click on Move. We're going to make sure this is on 0. And we are going to make this 0.5. And we're going to press Copy. Now press and hold Command D. This is basically going to repeat the last thing you did. So it's gonna duplicate our line and move it 0.25 pixels to the side. And keep pressing that till you have a nice group of lines. We're gonna go on for a little bit more, but I think we should be good right now. So we're gonna select all of our lines, Command G to group everything. Otherwise, you can go to Object and Group. Next, we're gonna grab our brush tool or the pen tool, whichever one is fine, and we're gonna create a smoke-like shape. So I'm gonna go with something like this, and I'm gonna do the back too, so that we get this sort of weird shape. We're going to select it and swap the fill and the stroke. So we get this sort of shape. We're then going to select our lines and our weird shape, and we're going to go to Object, Envelope, Distort, Envelope Options. We're going to make sure that fidelity is at 100. And then we're going to go to Object, Envelope, Distort, Make with Top Object. And there you go. You get this cool smoky vector Illustrator effect that I feel looks amazing. That's basically it. It's so easy, it's fully editable, so you can grab your direct selection tool if you don't like a curve you made, and you can just adjust it to whatever you want and your shape is gonna change accordingly. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Feel free to subscribe, leave a comment, and like if you like my content. Also, give me a follow on Instagram. I post daily designs on there, and I post these short, like 15 to 20-second versions of these same tutorials. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.